Oh yeah. That matches that perfectly. Well guys, if you've been following along, you saw the reveal of this truck with the color match and the mirrors and the new Boost Auto mirror lights. All the color matching all the way around, the fender flares. How sick does this thing look? I mean, it's the definition of clean, but that's just my opinion. It is my truck. So the one thing I have to change though, right up there. It already has Recon cab lights on it. I put them on a couple years ago. It had OEM cab lights, but they were, you know, not very bright and were a little worse for wear. So I put the Recon cab lights on. That's the only style they had back then. Now they have the OLED style, which I've had in a box hiding over here for probably 6 months. So I'm finally gonna install them today. I wanted to wait till I had the color matching done on the front end conversion, the new mirror lights. I wanted it all to go together. So they've just been hiding over there. Gonna finally put them in today though. Ooh. T-shirt. Sweet. Sticker. Not so much. What is this? Why is it green? Get lit. Oh, that's right. I ordered this during a St. Patrick's Day sale. And it came with a free t-shirt and 15% off. All makes sense now. Hopefully these are the right ones. So that's what I had. They look like that with all the dots. I wanted this, the OLED. You see the strip there instead of the little dots. I didn't know it came with all this wiring. Not that I need it, but joke, switch. This is all I need. I don't need any of that crap. All right, might as well take the old ones off a while. There's the old looking style. Basically looks the same. I remember before I had to actually wire this in because the connector was different on my truck. I got to do that again. Also, you see all that silicone up there? I got to scrape that off because I used that last time. Update. That was a pain. It took forever. But I got all the silicone off and look at what's left. It's freaking everywhere. So let me figure out a way to clean all that up without getting everything wet, because there's holes in the roof now, and then start putting the new ones in. I'm a tiny bit worried because I'm running out of daylight, but it's all clean. Clean enough, at least. It's not perfect. I need to give the truck a full bath in clay and detail and all that. But for installing these cab lights, that will be good. As long as it doesn't get dark. I'm going to start with one of the small ones, and I am going to add some, a bead of black silicone. It seems to be what people have success with, so that's what I'm going to do. And hopefully I will also have success without leakage. I'm going to do a small bead, nothing crazy. Just like that. I'm also going to put a bead up here whenever I put the screws in, just because they come with these little rubber washers, but they always crack. Like, they're no good. 2 of these. All right. Oh yeah. It works. Clean up the excess. There. There's one done. What does it look like on? Oh yeah. That matches that perfectly. Okay, let me bang out the middle one, and then I think what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put one of the old ones back in on the side and plug it in just so you can see a difference. That's right, I got to wire this one in. Golly, it's hot. I'm going to do a bead all the way around, hence this one is bigger. Somehow I'm going to get messy. Wired up. Let's make sure it works. Works. Get it all lined up. Oof. Got it there. Now here's where you'll hopefully see a big difference. New ones on the driver's side, old one on the passenger side. Man, it's a shame it's not darker out. Can you guys see that? Hopefully. That, while just as bright, just doesn't look, it's not clear. Like, these are like a nice strip. And this guy is old looking. So now you've seen the difference. Put the last one in, call this job done.
2 hours later.
First test of the new cab lights, they're all on there. All three of them, they all work. They did work, hopefully they still work. First time turning them all on with the new mirror OLEDs as well that match perfectly. I'm excited. I think they look awesome. Now that it's a little darker out, you can see them just a little better. And the mirror lights, the OLEDs on them, I mean, that's from Boost Auto. The cab lights are obviously from Recon. Flies. I mean, they match like perfect. They look like they're the same lights, which is great. It's a great look. I'm glad they do. Now the only thing kind of out of place is the headlights and marker lights. That's coming. Part 1 of the headlight build is done. I'm still working on them. I've been a little distracted with the other stuff going on with the truck. Man, it is looking so fresh with that new paint and the flares and the color match grille and the color match mirrors, the cab lights. It's all just coming together. It is still a stancy boy. So as always, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed these last 3 videos on the truck where a lot of progress was made on it. Pretty much a total transformation. And if you think I'm done with it, I'm not. So there's more to come, guys. So we'll see you next time.